Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to watch Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson on mobile. If you'd like to watch the full fight, here's what you need to do. You're going to open your Netflix app and then at the top right corner you're going to tap on this search icon. Search for Tyson or Jake Paul and right here you have the top results. You might have some options but you want to take note of the live Saturday, which is the first option. We're going to tap on it. And here you have a preview of the Netflix special. You could also see that it's going to be live on Saturday and the timing according to your geographical location. Next thing you need to do is to click on Remind Me. You can tap on Remind Me so you can get the notification when this is ready. Netflix will be showing this fight live on Saturday. Alternatively, you can watch it after the live show has been done. So this is how to watch Jake Paul versus Mike Tyson on mobile.